Hi guys, I'm Prasharika.
Hi guys, I'm Shrazika and this is my cousin Varshika. She is a kindergartner and she's a mini fashion designer. And today she's gonna show how to make dresses with rubber bands for dolls.
Most of your dolls won't have any dresses. You'll be worried to buy dresses. So that's why I'm going to show you two kind of ways to make dresses with rubber bands. Hi everyone, today I'm going to make two kind of dresses with rubber bands. And for that I have some colorful rubber bands here and two dolls. Let's get started. Now I'm gonna make a tops. First, slide the rubber band inside until your doll's chest and twist it and again slide inside and adjust the rubber band like this. Now keep on doing the same until the top's done. You can use whatever color you want. I'm making rainbow tops. Now the tops are ready. Now I'm going to make a bottom for my dolls. Place a rubber band in X mark like this for bottom. Repeat the same steps, slide in, twist, and slide in till the hip. Slide in, twist, slide in again and adjust the rubber bands until your doll's bottom is fully done. Now I'm done making dresses for my dolls. Now I'm making accessories for my dolls. I'm making a choker for my doll, but you can make whatever accessory you want. Now my dolls are ready with rubber band dresses. If you like this video, comment below and thumbs up. I hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel.